Everybody is born with greatness within them. It's only as we get older and start to get socialized into behavior do we start to lose this part of ourselves. You as a child lived the purest existence. You did not need to be motivated, you just did. No anxiety because there is no self image to be anxious about. Everything was for the moment, pure, experiencing instead of thinking. This is the path towards your greatness, your true nature. As we start to get older, the burden of being a part of the whole continues to grow. It comes in many names: conditioning, socializing, integration into society, but it all means the same. It's giving up a part of who you truly are, your greatness, your nature to fit in. It isn't your choice. It happens to everyone, and the world suffers for it. Don't believe me? Take a moment and think about if your choices are truly yours. The new clothes you bought, did you pick them for yourself? Or are they for the others? Do you genuinely believe in the policies of the party they represent? Or do you just support them because everyone around you does? None of it is you. And as you continue to grow, your greatness is replaced by the group. Don't think you're special now. You're not. We all give up a piece of ourselves, me included, for the collective to move forward at the expense of the individual. Now, as humans get even older, think high school, college, or university, expectations of others continues to build, and you are asked for more and more of yourself. But no amount of alcohol, drugs, food, exercise, or entertainment can refill that hole that you unknowingly dug yourself, then sold the dirt for the acceptance of others. Instead of acting out of instinct and curiosity, you decide what to do based on how it sounds to others. There is no other. It's just you, and your constant identity perception and critiques are killing your greatness. What does it matter how it sounds? How it appears to everyone else? 1,000 years from now, nobody will remember you existed. We all turn back to dust. What happens after is not important. You only have the moment, and you spend it on everyone except yourself. What can be done? How can we all take back what's been taken from all of us? Nothing. If you truly wanted your greatness back, you would already have it.